Good morning, Bengaluru. I'm your eat-shop-repeat guy with a brand new video. Today I'm visiting an Italian cafe. Let's quickly hop in and see what they have to offer.
Welcome to Melograno. Melograno, the word literally means pomegranate in Italian language. So we started our concept with gelatos. Gelato is basically the Italian way of doing the ice cream.
They offer everything from gelatos to pizzas. Basically what you can expect from an Italian cafe.
I'm introducing my barista, Bharat.
They also have something called specialty coffee where the beans are carefully curated based on the quality and ranking and they brew it. Classy and subtle ambience with calm and muted colors, perfect for relaxed hangouts. Their exotic sourdough pizzas and pastas are top notch, I can say. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. The beaten nut starter, it's a kind of starter made with beetroot, a kind of beetroot nugget. It's like, crumb fried with nuts, super crispy and crunchy. And pasta arrabbiata, absolutely loved it. And I'm finally wrapping it with a cup of coffee and this is the must visit spot around Video Complex near Banashankari second stage. Great ambience, yum food and not too heavy on the pockets. Do follow, and before you forget, subscribe to my channel because I'm the one keeping the neighborhood updated on what's new in your locality. Yours lovingly, your Eat Shop Repeat guy. Bye for now until the next video. See you.